Thrive Gives and Thrive Market have just been amazing for me. Being able to order from Thrive Market is a godsend.
Ooh, goodies.
Because there are just times where I'm simply too fatigued or am experiencing too much joint pain to get out and navigate the stores. My name is Uele Siebert. I live in Memphis, Tennessee. I am an aspiring artist, an enthusiast of gardening. When I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis in 2010, I did struggle for a couple of years to hold on to my business, but by 2012, I had to surrender. Getting disability is one thing, but living on disability is another. When the customer service rep told me about the Thrive Gives membership, which I had no idea about, and that just opened up a world of opportunity for me in terms of being able to secure the goods that I had always enjoyed. And I was just so thankful because while it may not be an extraordinary amount for a two-income household, for a one-parent household, and that household is impacted by the limitation of a fixed income due to disability, you have to get very creative. My disability is visible. It's impacted the way that I walk. It's impacted the way that I move. It's impacted the way that I'm able to access things. One of the ways I had to kind of pull myself out of my depression and my funk was finding ways that I could still express myself that would honor the limitations that I had. I thought, oh wow, I'll just put in my own little garden. And I was just thrilled with watching these babies come through. I don't know how to express it. Maybe it's like giving birth or whatnot, but there's nothing like growing your own food. It was such a joy to just be able to go outside and come in and just make like a simple summer salad. It's just so fantastic. I got so enthused and I was like, okay, what else can I do? So I bought the art supplies on a lark and I put on Coltrane and I just started painting. And the first painting that I did, I was actually really pleased with it. This is the very first painting I did.
Oh, amazing.
So painting allowed me to express myself on a soul level. Diet and lifestyle are big factors in affecting health outcomes, and Thrive Market, and particularly Thrive Gives membership, allowed me to do just that. So it was just a match made in heaven for me.